Hi guys, tara samahan niyo ako sa Choreo Cup.
Sa boss curve. Guys, siya yung nagsayaw na fucking Robitussin. Magjawang di matibag-tibag. Rashid's new DC.
Uy!
Red Sam.
Red Sam.
Red Sam in 1, 2, 3. Red Sam!
This is our 8th year of Choreo Cup and we're still getting bigger.
Ay, gumalaw. Welcome to my vlog. Kaya ano masasabi mo sa nararamdaman mo ngayon? Sobrang saya!
Deal or no deal. Welcome to Choreo Cup 2025. Malang na naman siya. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and go. Batch 2 is starting.
Nandito ako pa. Alam niyo na subok.
Grabe yung Choreo Cup. Meron dito, umalis sa duty umalis sa Jollibee para lang manood ng Choreo Cup. Iniwan yung order.
It's up to you to change it now.
Number 13. Hello.
If this world were mine,
maybe we'll see.
Poppin' Sam! Poppin' Sam! Rashid Sloan takes it!
This competition, maraming salamat po.
Yep!
For John Alvin. Second place, open category, Photo Club 2025.
Kaya...
Vincent Tan.
Oh!
Taking home 50,000 pesos and 7,000 pesos GC from New Era. Congratulations to Jello Yaneta! Take a photo first, sir. You are Choreographers Club 2025 Open Category Champion. Broken Warehouse, count it out in 3, 2, 1. Rashid!
Once again guys, that was Choreo Cup 2025. End of the shit. Love you.